Would you believe it? There are some natural skincare remedies that actually work, and many of them are hiding in your kitchen cupboard right now. Today I'm going to give you 5 natural skincare remedies that have proof that they work. Tea bags. Yes, tea bags. Not only is tea absolutely delicious, but you can use the bags as a warm or cold compress for your eyes. Taking a warm tea bag after you've made the tea and drank it, of course, making sure it's not hot, just warm, you can apply that to the eyes and actually get relief from tired eyes, sleepy eyes, and even irritated eyes. Now, if you're a person who's prone to styes, like I am, painful styes, this warm tea bag compress can actually help your sty. A sty is simply a minor infection in the gland of the eye where bacteria has built up, fluid has built up. That's why it hurts like heck. But applying the warm tea compress actually helps that gland drain and heal. Super effective. Who knew, right? You can also use cool tea compresses for your eyes to help depuff them, and the caffeine in the tea actually helps shrink the small capillaries around the eyes, helping to reduce dark circles. Sugar. Yes, sugar. And while too much sugar in the diet is of course treacherous for the production of collagen in your skin and a myriad of other things that it's going to do to your health, brown sugar actually has a lot of skin-friendly benefits. It's great as an exfoliator in sugar exfoliating scrubs because the sugar crystals are softer and they dissolve from the friction of using them on your skin. So not being made from things like walnut shells, they're not shards that can rip and tear the skin and cause you more problems on down the line. Sugar also has a high amount of glycolic acid, which we know helps dissolve the bond between the old skin cells stuck to the surface of your skin and the newer skin cells underneath. So sugar can actually reveal newer, healthier, younger looking skin, and it makes a great lip exfoliator. Just take a tablespoon of brown sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, mix it together, use it on your lips, and voila, beautiful lips. Aloe vera. Of course, we've all heard that aloe vera is good for soothing sunburns, but it also has other great benefits for your skin, being antimicrobial and very hydrating. Many medical studies and personal stories prove that aloe vera, when applied to the surface of the skin, can help speed up healing and reduce that terrible amount of pain that comes with minor burns and sunburns. Aloe vera actually contains chemical compounds called anthraquinones, which actually help speed up the healing process in the cells and also reduce a lot of the inflammation that gives you the burning sensation. So you get a 1-2 relief punch when you use aloe vera, and it's an all-natural way to treat these. One thing I want to add here though is if you have a substantial burn or sunburn, you need to seek out medical professional advice so that you prevent any sort of infection or scarring that can come from that. Now, if you have aloe vera plants, this makes it very easy to do. I have several outside. You just go and pluck a leaf and use that soft liquid flesh on the burn, treating it very lightly, covering it with that liquid so that it protects the burn and helps speed up the healing and again, reduce that inflammation and pain. The only hard part about this for me is plucking the leaf off the plant without guilt. Now, if you're not like that with plants like I am, or you don't have the plant itself, you can always go to the grocery store. Usually they will carry fresh cut aloe leaves in the produce section. As for sunburns, we should be preventing those in the first place. So sunscreen. Have I told you you need to wear sunscreen? Oatmeal, another absolutely delicious food, one of my favorites that does double duty with its skin-saving properties. Now, oatmeal can provide a lot of relief for things like eczema and even a poison ivy infection. But you just can't apply oatmeal to the skin. You need to have it in colloidal form by putting it in the blender or a food processor and making it into a very fine powder. And it makes a great component for spa-like facial masks that you can make at home when you add things like honey. Very skin protecting and hydrating. And speaking of honey, besides being tasty, it has many skin benefits with its antibacterial and hydrating properties. In fact, taking local honey internally has been proven to help people with allergies to pollen. Now, if you're as old as I am, back in the day, honey was the go-to cough syrup that you got from your parents or your grandparents. Mine came with a little shot of whiskey. Thanks, Mom. but today it is actually recommended as a cough suppressant for children 1 and up by the American Academy of Pediatrics. I know, hard to believe, right? But their studies actually show that honey is as effective or better than over-the-counter cough suppressants. Who knew, right? Now for your skin, it's able to deeply penetrate the outer layers to soften and hydrate them. It can also help exfoliate the outer layers of your skin while still delivering antiseptic, antimicrobial, and antibacterial properties. It is absolute great food for your skin. Now be sure you get pure honey when you buy it, that it's not mixed with fillers or preservatives. Labels can be deceptive. We hate that. Here are some more DIY skincare trends you will really want to avoid, so be sure and check out this video for some crazy stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on the next video. Got a skincare question you want answered? Just type Chris Gibson and the topic in the YouTube search bar and the video will come up.